Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the HYDAC portal. Let's get started. First of all, you come to the top here where it says HYDAC. Clicking in here, and then you have to add your username and password. Note that your username is made by account ID dash email, not only the email. So, as an example, I'm going to use my account here. My account at HYDAC is T75244 dash my email. Then I'll add my password. That's it. In order to see my dashboard, I'll come to the top here, clicking this little thing and go dashboard. And then I have access to my account. Now, let's explore each of these sections. Start with the account dashboard. In this area, you can see your information, the company information and your email address. Here is where you go to change your password and to view the credit cards that you have on file. In this area, you can update your newsletter subscription. On the right hand side, you can see the billing address and the shipping address. And if you click in this area here, you can see all the addresses that you have on file. Remember that you can add addresses during the checkout process. Here you go. So here is the default address and here the additional address that you have on file. Now let's take a look to the My Online Order section. So by clicking on this button here, you're going to be able to see all the orders that you have placed. So we keep separated. We have here the product orders, and if you click on this button here, you'll be able to see the training orders that you have made. Right? So in this case here, I don't have any training orders. So I go back to the previous page, online orders, and here I have all the orders that I have placed that are related to products. So let's take a look here. The first one, I click in the button view order. So that's the order that I'm going to check it. So here I have the order number. I have the status of my order. In this case here is just a test, so I cancel the order. The order was placed on the 6th of April. If I want to print it, I just click in here. And if I go down here, I can see the product that I ordered, how much it cost me, and the shipping address and the billing address. If I need to come back, I'll click in here, and then I go back to the main page. That's it. If there is any information that needs to be updated on your account, you have to send the request to us. So that's where you go. Request update information. So once you are here, most of the fields here are already filled to you. You only need to put the information that you wanted to change. Your email address, phone number, the IP addresses that are associated to your account. You just write what you needed, submit, we change it and get back to you. I got this section here called Saved Order Templates. In this section, we actually can see all the templates that you have saved. For example, in my case here, I have a template called Heat Exchanger. So if I want to see what is inside of that, I just click in this plus sign, and then I can see here that I have for the part number 3014029, I have the quantity of 2 that comes out of the New South Wales warehouse. And for the part number 3014028, I have the quantity of 1 that comes out of the Victoria warehouse. From this template, what I can do here, I can delete it if I don't need it anymore, and then I can edit and reorder. If I press edit and reorder, then whatever is in this template will go straight to my shopping cart. So let's take a look here. So click edit and reorder, and then I got 3 products that goes straight to my shopping cart right over here. From here, you can just go and proceed to the checkout. But let me show you how you can create those order templates. For example, let's go to the accumulator, Brera accumulator. If I know that's something that I order in a regular basis, I can just create a template for that. For example, the part number 3238423, I want to order, add it to my template 1 from Victoria. And from this part number here, the second one in the list, I want to add 2 for New South Wales. And then for the third one in the line here, I want to place an order from WA and order 3. Okay, let's take a look to the shopping cart. So the products that I just added are over here. So if I want to add this as a template, I'll click in here and I go to the shopping cart And there is this button here, save as order template. So if I think that these are items that I have to order that on a regular basis, so that's what I do, right? So I create an order template. I'll give a name to that. And that's it. So for me to check, I'll go to my dashboard and let's take a look at into my saved order templates. It's right here. The template that I just created is right here. I'm gonna confirm to the item that I have it. So note that for this item, I got 1 from Victoria, 2 from New South Wales, and 3 from WA. Now let's take a look to the media library. Most of the things in this section are files that we don't usually share with the general public, but it is available to you. For example, we're gonna have a tab here for the videos, posters that you can preview, download it, high quality logo, manuals, and etc. Now we have this section here called high speed. On this area, you can find your products easier and faster. So that's why we call that high speed. For example, you can search for a part number. If you know the part number, you just type it over here, go search, and you have all the information in here, including the warehouse information, so you can place their order, add the quantity, and add the item to the shopping cart. The other thing that you can do is you can search for the part description. If you are familiar with our product description, so we can just type the product description right over here. For example, for our diaphragm accumulator, you might know that the code description is SBO. So you search for SBO and you have all the products in here. So that's the way you can easily choose the product that you want, add it to the cart easily. The other section that I have under high speed is called CSV import. In this area, you can import your products that you have on a spreadsheet into our website. So that's where you have to go. You come right here and it's pretty easy. You just download a sample CSV, right? If you want to do a bulk order, and then let me show you how to do it. So once you have the CSV file, you have to put the part numbers on the column A and the quantity on the column B. For example, if I want to order the part number 304080, and then over here I have to tell how many I want for this part number. But note that I have to specify for which warehouse I want to order. For example, if I want to order from Victoria warehouse, I just type Vic, the column, and that's how many products I want from this specific warehouse. And then if I want to order from a different warehouse as well, so I put a semicolon and let's say New South Wales, I want to order 1, another semicolon, and then Western Australia, column, I want to order 5, and that's it. So for this product here, I want 2 from Victoria, 1 from New South Wales, 5 from Western Australia. And then I save this file. I already did that. And then I upload right over here. I look for the file in my computer and then I click upload. Then you'll be able to see that these products has been added to the shopping cart. 8 of the part number 304080. In order to purchase a product in our website, it's pretty easy. You can either go to your account, dashboard, high speed, and select the item that you want and put it in the shop cart, or you can just navigate to the pages. By navigating to the pages, you can find your product as well. You scroll down and you can see all the part numbers related to what you want. Let's buy a clamp, for example, alright? So I went to the clamp page, and I'm going to select the product that I want. As you can see in the table here, you have the part number, description, the list price, which is the price that everyone pays if they don't have an account, and then your price will be here. So in my case, I'm just using a dummy account, so that's the price that I'm getting. If the drawing is available, you can see the drawing in that column. For example, we have this icon here, right? And over here you got the warehouse information. So you can see the stock that we have in these warehouses over here. So in my case, I'm able to see For warehouse, in your case, might be different. You might be able to see only the warehouse stock from your state. All right, so let's say that I want to order this part number over here. So I want um, 5 clamps, but I want that to come out of the Queensland warehouse. I know that there is no stock in Queensland, so I'm gonna have to put a back order for Queensland. Just what I do is I just go Queensland here, and let's say I want a 5 come from Queensland, even though there is 0 in there. There is no problem. You are able to order anyway. We just put a back order. Okay, so let's add 5 in Queensland, and then for the same part number, actually let's take another part number here. Let's take this one here, and then I want that to come from the New South Wales. Only 2. Once it's added to the cart, I can just come over here. So let's click in here. So in order to proceed, click in here, and then we have to fill the shipping information. So you already have the shipping address. If you wanted to ship that to a different location, that's what you have to do. So instead of coming here, I want actually go to this location, or I want to go to this location here. So I just choose the location that I want that to be shipped. If I want to add a new location, I click it over here and I can add a new location. In terms of freight, if you have any company on your file, then you can select the company in here. Otherwise, you just click in add a new company, and let's say here test company. Over here, the account, my freight account. If there is anything that I haven't put here as a detail, I'll just put here some details about my shipping. I'll save this information and I'll click next. Now we go to the second part, which is the review and payment. First thing to do is add your PO number. Let's say PO test. And then I have 3 options of payment here. I can pay by credit card, Visa or MasterCard, okay, and save my details to my account. Or I can just go to the PayPal and pay with my PayPal account, or I can just add it to my account. If I go to select this option, then you pay as you normally do with us. If you want to use this option, you click here, you read and agree to the terms and conditions, and then you place the order, and that's it. Once you place the order, you're gonna have this thank you message here. You see the order number. If you want to continue shopping, you click it over here, and that's basically it. All right, so note that the My HYDAC portal works very similar to the HYSPEED program that you guys used before. So you're only able to access this portal from a specific IP address, right? The IP address that is in our system. So if you try to access this from a different IP address, you're not going to be able to. In order to log out, you just come here and sign out. And that's it. That's easy. So if you have any question, don't hesitate to contact us, right? Thank you.